Hello. As you can see, it's foggy. Can't see anything from the middle of the field. And just wanted to tell you guys that winter is coming. If you haven't read about that yet somewhere, I'll tell you, it's coming. Yeah. Today I'm gonna have a chat with Mike Stellium7 around 3 p.m. ET, Eastern time, if you forgot. So we're gonna talk about his recent events and news, and probably we'll have some conversation about medical issues of the case that we all witnessing for 2 years already. So that would be this evening, I hope. And also Saturday I'm gonna have a chat with Mike Ferreira about ancient mining and new discoveries that he is promoting in his group, which is called Ancient Miner Earth. Subscribe to it, by the way. Subscribe to my new Telegram channel, the Empire of Ross. Subscribe to a new channel which is called Yellow Badge.